Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this additional of Friday. Yes, October the 29th, 2021, and it's actually not Friday, no, it's actually uh, also not Saturday, because in the Saturday edition, November the 6th, 2021, we have no additional. It's actually Sunday. Yes, Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the last edition. It's the Friday edition with the puzzles left. Yes, puzzles left are the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and this one will be the last puzzle in this edition. And this 1-star Tectonic will be number 3650. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one. For 1-star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. And first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box. Here 1, and there single box. Also a 1. Do we have dual boxes? I see here dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. Okay, the 2 is already filled in. More dual boxes. No, triple boxes. I see here a triple box. And the triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, we have a 2 there. No 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. Those 2 boxes are the numbers 1 and 3. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. And remember, if you see a triple box, the inside box is this one, could be a 4 or could be a 5. Well, in this case, it's filled in with a 4. Okay. Triple box, quadra box now. I see here quadra box. Well, I cannot fill one of those missing numbers. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures, or constructions. For example, we have the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. The L shape. Alright. L shape. Remember, if you see the L shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes here. Another L shape, but mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes here, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay, more L shapes here. Here, wow, number 4. Rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. More? No. Okay. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Upside down, the T shape. Here we have a T shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay, so this box is the same number as that box. Okay. The T shape, yes, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this. This shape. Alright, this shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Okay. Then the following shape, the last shape, I believe. How about this shape? This shape. Yeah, this shape. Let me draw this here. Okay. This shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box is the same number as that box. More of this kind of shape here, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay. And another one here. Yes. So this box has the same number as that box. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 4. There are more, but in this puzzle we have 4 of them. Yes, I believe there are a total of 6 that you need to recognize, but in this puzzle we have 4 of them. Then it's easy for filling the numbers. So the next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this T shape for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5. Then let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be a 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 boxes left in this L shape area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or 3, but we already have a 1 here. So it cannot be a, excuse me, need to sneeze, yes, apologies. Okay, so it cannot be a 1, should be a 3, because we have a 1 and 1 there. So this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this L shape for the number 1. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then this box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 1 anymore. Otherwise, if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3. And that box should be a 1. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. All right. Let me see. All right. These three boxes surround a 5 cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These two boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Okay. These two boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 4 in this quarter box, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. Here also 2 boxes left for the numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Well, 2 and 5 here, 2 and 5, and this box is connected with that box, so also should be 2 and 5. 1 box left in this L shape, also 2 or 5. Okay. Well. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. We have a double 5 there, so this box should be a 3. Definitely. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Well. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be a 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see. Well, can we 1, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3. I'm thinking. This should be also 2 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. So it's 4 or 5. 4 or 5. This box is connected with that box, will be also 4 or 5. But we already have a 4 here. So it cannot be 4. It should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box, will be also a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box will be a 5. And this box will be a 2. Alright. This box cannot be A1. That box cannot be A1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 2. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, and again, not faster than 15 minutes. Anyway, I'm pleased that I've solved this puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the tectonics, playlists for the binaries, for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.